Hi guys, John here again. Tool of the week, back to this again. Not everyone's got one. Handsaw, most people's got one. Jigsaw, great piece of kit. Cut your sink base out, your worktop, cut your worktops up. Shouldn't be a problem. You could use a router I suppose, but a jigsaw is just as good. If it is a worktop you're cutting, the jigsaw's blades tend to cut in the upward stroke. If it's a laminate surface, I've actually got blade that will cut on the downward stroke. So you can get a specific worktop blade for cutting worktops. Otherwise you're turning your worktop upside down like this one is, and you cut from this side. If you've just got the conventional blade, buy yourself a good blade that will cut down the way. Then you can cut it the right way up. Various blades come in all shapes and sizes. Obviously the thin blade, you can do more intricate scroll work with it if you were cutting something fancy out. I mean, it's a lot
Like
better
a jigsaw?
Aye, it's a lot better than you trying to cut something with a big saw. It says, so jigsaw, mine's has got a laser guide on it, so we can just follow the laser. We can put in a stopper, an adjuster, just to give you a guide. It's got 2 or 3 speed settings on it. You can hear it running. Obviously, it's back to the eye protection. You only get 2. Try and keep them. They won't give you another one when you go to hospital. That's basically it. Buy a nice model. The table will tilt on mine as well, so it will give you a degree angle to cut. You can reset it. It's got an extractor on it that you can put your hoover on, and it'll take all the dust right out. That's basically my jigsaw.
Okay.
That's that. See you next week.